today let's start with chapter number 6, more about internet. In this chapter we will study about internet, history of internet, cyber safety, and what are the commonly used internet terms. Like we have ISP, www, World Wide Web, and then I will tell you about something about Microsoft Edge. Now let's start the chapter. Network. What is network? It is the connection or collection of two or more computer systems that are linked together with wire, satellite, or some other medium. When many such networks across the globe are connected to each other for communication, what it is called? It is called internet. Next is internet. It is the world's largest network, connecting millions of computers to share information around the world. Internet allows us to access the information displayed on various websites. What it do? It access the information displayed on the various websites, right? Next is these websites which display and add information to the internet have to follow certain set of protocols to ensure cyber safety. What to ensure? To ensure cyber safety. Next is history of internet. The word internet. The internet started by ARPANET. It was first network of computer in the world. And who set up? It was set up by Ministry of Defense of the USA. And when? In 1969. Right? Now, it is an advanced research project agency network. It was developed with the aim of sharing information on research and development in the field of science and technology. It was initially used only by the government official before time. What it was mostly the government officials, scientists or engineers, computer experts, librarians and educators all uses them. And the internet play a significant role in our life, and it is known as World Wide Computer Network, and it is rapidly expanding rapidly. Next is cyber safety. Next topic is cyber safety. What is cyber safety? We must cautious and follow few guidelines when surfing the internet and working of the personal account, like email, social networking, banking, or e-commerce, right? So we should never open an email message with an attachment or link unless we are accepting it, right? Or it is in the form of trust. You have to see that it must be from some trusted sources, okay? Right? Unless you will not use it. Now we should install an antivirus program to scan entire program so that it's get free of virus and other potential data, so that your data may not get affected due to the virus. So you should have an antivirus. Then passwords are the key to your account. Choose a strong password for the personal account. You have to choose a strong password for your personal account, and you should use private browsing or incognito mode while using the internet at public places like an internet cafe. Next is some commonly used internet terms. We have so many commonly used internet terms. Like first is your www, that is World Wide Web. Is a collection of interconnected pages that contain text, pictures, audios, and videos. These pages are connected using links. How they are connected? Using links. Next is hyperlink. What is hyperlink? Hyperlink, it is a web page on a website that may contain text. It may have text, image, audio, video, and links to other web pages. They are created using some language called HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. On a website, we can see text or images that are underlined and highlighted in blue, and clicking on and takes on other pages, document or images. And this text or images is called hyperlink. What they are called? They are called hyperlink. Next is website. It is collection of related web pages that are linked to one another. And the first page of the website is called home page. The first page which you see of the website, it is called its home page. And the home page contains hyperlinks to other pages of the website. Next is URL, that is Uniform Resource Locator. Every house in the city has unique address that we can locate easily. Similarly, every website, like our home, it have a unique address. Like that, every website, it has its unique address. And the address of the website or a web page is known as URL. In such an example of that is Uniform Resource Locator. Next is your web browser. It is an application software. What it is? It is an application software. It looks for web pages and display them on the device. It can be used to upload or download file. Here you can upload as well as download the file. More than one web browser can be installed on a single computer. Like we have Microsoft Edge, right? Then we have Microsoft Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Safari and Mozilla Firefox. What are these? These all are the web browser. Next we have ISP, Internet Service Provider. It is a company that provides us the internet connection and services for an annual or monthly fee. You have to pay some amount of annual fee to them, and then what you do? They gives you internet connection. Like we have BSNL, Airtel and Jio. What are these? These are some popular ISPs. Then downloading. Now getting the data from the host computer server to the client computer. It is known as downloading. We can download games, music, videos, movies, anything what you want to download, you can download easily. Next is uploading, means copying the data from the client computer. When you have to copy the data from your client computer, then it is known as uploading. This is generally done when we want to send some photographs. When you want to send some photograph or you want to send some article or file to the other, then what you do? You do uploading. Next is search engine. It is a software that searches through the collection of web pages for a particular information. It allows users to enter any keywords or which it displays a list of websites. This is related to information. Some popular search engines are your Google, Bing and Yahoo. Next is Microsoft Edge. What it is? It is a default web browser in Windows 10 operating system. It enables us, what it do? It enables us to browse the web seamlessly with many features. It has many features in it. Next is, first of all, if you want to use Microsoft Edge, what you will do, I will tell you one by one all the steps. Step 1, click on the start icon to open start menu. Then you will click on Microsoft Edge. We can also open Microsoft Edge by clicking on its icon on the taskbar and your Microsoft window will appear. Like this. This is a Microsoft Edge you have seen. Let me show you also here. Now I will show you Microsoft Edge. You will click on it. Like this, your Microsoft Edge window will appear. Right? Now we have, this is your back forward, this is refresh, this is your current tab. By this you can open new tab. On clicking on this, you can open new tabs. Here we have address bar. Whatever you want to search, you can search over here. Now current tab, if we talk about current tab, Edge uses this tool, uses tabs for each web page we have opened. The current tabs appear as a gray light while those not open are dark gray. Which one are not open, they will be dark gray. Now backward and forward buttons help to navigate back to the previous page and then move to forward again. Then new tab, you will click this button to open a new tab. Now refresh button reloads the web page currently being viewed by us, which we view currently. Address bar, we type web address or carry out a web search in this bar. Then we have favorite, the star icons that allows us to set a web page as favorite. That means the page you will select, it will go under favorite or add it to your reading list. You can also add it to your readings. Now, this was all about the internet. I have told you about the history of the internet, from where and who has developed the world internet. And then we have seen some different internet terms, and lastly I have told you about Microsoft Edge. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.